Installing door jambs can be a real pain. It's time consuming, it requires skill, and if you're not careful, it can chew up profits by having to spend time fixing them again. Even if you're careful, installing door jambs can be tricky for the most skilled builders and fix-out carpenters. If you're not an expert, it's easy to make a mistake that will require you to go back and fix it, and that's just wasted time and money. This is the main reason you find yourself doing the door jambs, and not your apprentices or your chippies. And that shows us why the Jambit Installer is such a valuable tool for any builder or fix-out carpenter. With this tool, you can easily and quickly get your apprentice to install door jambs without having to worry about them making mistakes. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. Your apprentice can do the door jambs without you having to worry at all. What could you do with this extra time? Focus on the more important, high-paying jobs maybe. Or potentially you could hit the golf course, catch a fish, or even better, spend more time with the family. The Jambit